Hi and welcome to this video, in which we'll teach you how to use one of the greatest business bulk message solutions, Nobi solution to help you reach out to your customers in a fraction of seconds without violating Facebook's policies. This video will show you how to use the following. To log into Nobi software, use the Nobi function. How to install Nobi features, such as set up Facebook's bulk message sending campaigns. Connect to manage many fans pages. Keep track of customer interactions. Follow Facebook's mass message sending campaigns automatically. Generate more sample messages. How to log into Nobi software, using the Nobi function. After registering to open an account on the Nobi system, you log in with the account name and password you created. Click on the Nobi marketing button on the main screen, then on Nobi Introduction to Nobi The featured interface contains 5 primary components, which are as follows: Facebook campaign, page list, interacted customers Facebook automation, message sample. Assist customers in installing the expansion pack. To download the Nobi extension, navigate to the browser's purchasing basket. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the shopping cart in your browser. Step 2. Search for Nobi in the App Store, and the app will emerge. Step 3. Add the application to your purchasing basket. Complete the extension package installation. Instructions on how to sync it. This feature is only available when the user has the position of editor or administrator on the page being synced, and presses sync. Connect the fan page to the system in Step 1. Continue with the steps, beginning with Step 1 and ending with Step 3. Step 2 should be repeated after a successful connection. Step 2. View the list of interactive users by clicking, then save the list with customer interaction history to the system. After synchronizing all pages customers, continue to Step 3. Step 3. On the Sync view, click on of the page where you wish to sync the UID, then select the Sync Old Customer UID feature. Note: before utilizing the Nobi function, you only synced old customers. However, since using it, the system has automatically taken the UID of the visitor, so there is no need to sync anymore. The customer UID must not close the customer sync window during synchronization. If the user does, the synchronization procedure must be restarted from the beginning. Overview card. When you click Overview, you'll see campaign parameters including the number of campaigns, the number of messages sent, the number of orders, and revenue. The capacity to send hundreds of thousands of messages on a variety of fan pages is Nobi most significant feature. You have the option of filtering by time to follow. Tag Facebook campaign. Instructions for creating a campaign. Please keep in mind that the campaign content must match the format specified. Users must separate their information using commas. Separate them using, if you want customers to obtain more qualified content. The sent content will then be jumbled together but will retain the same structure as the sender's produced messages. Users navigate to the Facebook Campaigns tab in Nobi then select Add New Campaign. The newly introduced view displays the following information. To add a new campaign within 24 hours, select Facebook 24H. To use the campaign sending tool by extension, select Nobi When adding a campaign, keep the following in mind. Campaign distribution timeline. This is the time frame in which the campaign is sent. If the campaign is not completed within this time range, progress will be suspended. To continue the campaign, the user can click Continue. Sending distance. The amount of time it takes to send a message from one person to another. The user clicks on the sample message to copy and paste it into the campaign content, and the sending structure must be the same as the template. Avoid having many Facebook campaigns tabs open at the same time. Notes: while the campaign is running, after clicking Send, the campaign will display the message indicated above. To open this tab, you should pay attention to the campaign's running time. The campaign will not be executed if it is not opened by the time of submission or if this device is not turned on. You can use the system by opening another tab, but you cannot open many tabs at the same time. Once the process has begun, You can choose to pause or resume the campaign. You have the option to delete the bulk message sending campaigns. Campaigns can be filtered and tracked. Here are detailed metric statistics for the campaign tag page list. Sign in and connect to Fanpages. Modify the Fanpages settings. Change the manager, branch, and then click the update button. View and save the list of users with those you have engaged. Synchronize the customers AID. Synchronize the customers AID. View the list of users who have interacted with it. Search for users who have interacted with it. Tag Auto Facebook. Display information about developing and sending automated messages to customers. Tag sample message. Begin by adding message templates. Additional message templates. Fill up the form name, content field, then click Add New. Fixing. I recently guided you through the process of using and fully utilizing the features of Nobi Chat. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the fan page, email, online, or hotline.